Hi everybody, welcome back to Lee Baker's 1293 build. Right, on the last episode you saw me fit the crankshaft and the pistons. This episode is going to be fitting the cam followers and the camshaft. Probably the front engine plate and the timing gears. Okay, right, these are the cam followers. Supplied by MAR Motorsport. They are all wrapped up, so I'll just unwrap these and then we can get on with installing them into the block. Okay, right, unwrapped all the followers, give them a bit of lube. Right, I use a magnet to install these, like that. I'm having to work from behind the camera because the lighting wasn't very good, so just install that in there like that, push it in. Next one, bit of lube on there, onto the magnet, into the block. That's it. Okay, the next stage is to fit the camshaft. It is an AC Dodd RS Cam. As you can see on there. Right, I'll just unwrap this and lube it up and get it into the block. Okay, I got the camshaft out of the box, wiped all the grease off it that was on it to protect it. Don't know whether you can see there, ACD RS. So we'll get that lubed up and get it into the block. Well, I've lubed the journals up. I haven't lubed the lobes up yet. I can do that once it's in. Just makes it a bit less messy. Have to be really careful getting these in so you don't snag the cam bearings. I have lubed the cam bearings as well. Okay, that is in. Just make sure it spins nice. Okay, that's that installed. Right, now to lube up the lobes. Okay, the assembly lube that I use is actually Miller's engine lube, assembly lube. It's in a Torco bottle because it just makes it easy to put on or to apply. So squirt on there, give it a twizzle round. That'll work its way around anyway. That's it. Well, that's the camshaft lubed up. Right, next job will be the front timing plate and the timing chain and gears, etc. Okay, the back plate is on loosely. Just so I can get everything lined up. Now I'm just going to tighten those up now. This thrust plate will only actually go on one way around, the camshaft thrust plate. If you do try and get it on the other way around, none of the bolt holes will line up, so just flick it around the other way. This back plate is an MED item. It's aluminium, and it's got the better fixings for the timing chain cover, because the standard ones are pretty rubbish, to be honest with you. Stir them up. So, and the bottom ones are countersunk. They come with the plate. Do those up, nip them up. That's that. Next job is the timing gears and timing chain. Okay, the timing chains that I use, I don't know whether you'll be able to see because of the light, is an iWis chain. These are very good chains, they don't stretch. Well worth fitting. Okay, that's the timing chain fitted and the gears. I did get a straight rule across these two gears to make sure they're lined up, which they are. So next job, this is just a base setting for the camshaft, so I can check the cam timing if I need to adjust it with an offset key. I'll have to do that afterwards. But this is the standard factory setting. Sometimes these, especially the AC Dodd RS cams, they do actually time up really well. Pretty much bang on most of the time. So we'll see what happens with this one. Okay, we're all set up to do the cam timing now. So we'll see what happens. We'll spin the engine now until the dial indicator stops, which is there. Maximum lift. Okay, now down to 10 past that. Read what it says. $125. Let me go back the other way. So it's coming back at 112. So I need a 6-degree key, and I think I might have one. On the word one somewhere, 6-degree offset key. So I'll get that fitted now and come back in a minute. Okay, we're all set up for the cam timing. That's how we get on. I'll spin that around until the needle stops. Which is there. Come down 10. $115. Back and back down again. So I think that'll be it for today. Yes, I will see you on the next one, which will be, I'd imagine, timing chain cover, put the gearbox on, so, and then get it off the engine stand then, and then I can start doing the other bits and bobs. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.